Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Google form look better. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main page that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. This is the home page where in the upper right corner we can get started with logging into our Google account. If you do not already have an account, you can go ahead and sign up for a new one, and if you have one, you can just log in normally, and once you do, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page where we can get started creating a new form. We have the option to go ahead and access our recent forms and so on. And now guys, let's say you want to go ahead and create a new form. You click the plus button right here. That's going to create a blank form where you can get started giving it a name, you can give it a description, you can manage your questions right here, answers and so on. But if you want to make it look even better, there are a couple of options. First things first guys, the main advice I can give you is to use the template gallery. The template gallery has many templates that already look amazing and are designed by professional people that make the forms. So basically you can choose any of the templates right here that you want for using your forms, because they really do look amazing. A lot of them have images, themes and so on, nicely designed questions. But if you want to really make your form from scratch by yourself, there are a couple of selections that you can use, such as you can see in this article, how to customize your form in Google. You can go and find this kind of articles on the internet to see how they what they tell you, so you can customize your questions, you can transform the form itself and so on. Manually follow the steps right here to go ahead and give it whatever look you want. As you can see, once you open it up here, we can get started customizing the theme at the top of the screen, where we can manage the header, choose an image, color and so on, and you can get started with it for yourself. But yeah guys, basically those are the main steps you can try. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.